Hi, it's Miss P with the Grapevine Public Library, and I'm here today to read a book about winter weather.
Wait a minute.
Professor Roy, hi! I haven't seen you since summertime, and now it's winter.
That's right. And in winter, there's a form of precipitation called snow.
There sure is.
Mm-hmm.
We don't see it in Texas a lot, but you're right.
Well, you could see it today.
What?
I brought a surprise.
Okay. I don't know what you could be talking about, but... Whoa!
Look, it's snowing!
Professor Roy, I don't think this is snow. It's dry, and it's not wet, and it looks like it might be made of paper. I don't think that's what snow is.
Like a Kleenex?
Yeah, like a Kleenex.
That's right. It's really not snow.
So this is a form of fake precipitation.
Right, because I brought my wind tunnel. Do you see?
Yeah, very sciencey.
Uh-huh.
Wow, that's really impressive.
It's really impressive.
It's very sciencey.
It's going to blow me away.
Well, let's read a book that's really about winter precipitation.
Okay, let me turn my wind tunnel off.
Okay, go ahead. Give you a second.
Just a minute.
All right.
Very hard to maneuver this with my tiny little puppet hands.
All right. Goodness, Professor Roy, you got me very snowed on. This book is called It's Snowing by Nadia Higgins. We'll read it together.
Okay. Sure hope this one's scientific.
It is.
Did you make sure?
Yeah, I made sure beforehand. Silent snow. The trees have lost all their leaves. The ground is frozen hard. What's that? Winter's first snow. It falls without a sound.
That's right. You usually can't hear the snow.
That's right. Little snowflakes twirl in the air. The ground is dusted with snow. You can just make out your footprints. This kind of snow is a snow flurry. I love snow flurries. A snowstorm brings a lot of snow. Snow falls most heavily when it is cold, but not too cold. About 15 degrees Fahrenheit is the perfect temperature for a snowstorm. A blizzard brings hard blowing snow. You can barely see ahead of you in a blizzard.
That's right.
Tonight, the snowplows will clear the roads, but today the roads are too snowy for the school bus. It is a snow day.
Snow day!
Woo, that's the best, isn't it?
It is. We don't get those very often here.
Not in Texas, you're right. When it is very cold, snow is powdery. That's good snow for skiing. On warmer days, the snow is heavy and wet. You can pack it into a snow fort.
Or you could roll it into a snowman.
Oh, you're right. Making snowmen is the best. Or making snow angels.
Or snow women, or...
Snow dogs.
I love snow dogs.
The next time it snows, go outside with a piece of dark paper and a magnifying glass. So sciencey.
That's very sciencey. You know what? I need to see that page.
Okay. Catch snowflakes on the
Love
paper.
that magnifying glass.
Look at them closely. No two are exactly the same. Each one is its own work of art. Snowflakes can be the size of quarters or even bigger.
There was one that was once the size of a hubcap.
Wow. The shape of a snowflake depends on the temperatures of the air it forms in. Some have 6 branches, others have 6 flat sides, and some are even long and skinny like a pencil.
That's amazing. Scientific.
Yeah, science is amazing. Snowflakes always drift down from the clouds, but not all clouds make snowflakes. Clouds that make snow are called snow clouds. It is cold inside of a snow cloud. To make snow, the cloud's temperature must be below 32 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's freezing.
That is the freezing point of water. You're right. That's exactly what it says.
It's because I'm smart.
You're so smart about science. A snow cloud is full of tiny ice crystals. Each one is only the size of the tip of a toothpick.
So tiny.
The ice crystals grow bigger and heavier. They fall bumping into other ice crystals on the way down. The ice crystals clump together. They turn into snowflakes.
And they're beautiful.
How
Maybe
do you...
I'll marry them.
I don't know.
Or one of them.
I don't know if you can marry snowflakes.
Well, I'm going to marry science.
Hey, I know you
And a
love it.
snowflake is science.
It's true. That I understand what you're thinking here. How do you know when it will snow? Well, turn on the television or radio. Listen to the weather report. It is hard to know when it will snow for sure, but scientists have a pretty good idea. They study the clouds, the air, the wind, and the temperature. Scientists use satellites to track snow. The satellites take pictures of Earth. The pictures show which way the clouds are moving. It is important to know when a snowstorm is coming. People need to get ready so they can stay safe and warm.
Yeah, sometimes you have to turn your faucet on and let it drip so that your pipes don't freeze.
Earth's coldest places do not get much snow. It is too dry. For example, Antarctica gets very little snow. Snow piles up on mountains and near lakes. In the United States, the snow belt gets some of the heaviest snow. This area stretches along the Great Lakes. You see right here? That's where the Great Lakes are.
And Antarctica is really a desert.
It is. It's a tundra. You're right. Earth needs snow. Snow keeps the ground warmer than it would be without it. In winter, moles, chipmunks, and other animals rest in their underground homes. Snow actually keeps them warm. It's like a blanket for the soil.
That's right. It insulates it.
It keeps plants safe so they can bloom again in the spring. That's so cool. In the spring, the snow will melt, and melted snow will fill streams and rivers. It will water seeds for plants. Until then, it's time to play in the snow.
How fun!
The end. What a great book.
It was scientific.
Well,
Thank you for sharing that.
you're welcome. I was wondering if you could just make it snow a little bit more, Professor Roy.
Like one more time?
One more time.
All right.
It's the most snow we're going to see in Texas, probably. Oh, wow. It's amazing what you're doing up there. Oh, my goodness. Professor Roy, I love it.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Grapevine.